Hello and welcome to IB Philosophy Booth. I'm Jo, qualified teacher and philosophy lover. I have made the key information available in a download underneath the video, so click on that if you want. Okay, so this is a short and sweet video. What is in paper one? Assessment overview. Okay, so here are your key exam details. Time allowed. This is a whopping exam. Okay, HL students, you've got to write 3 25-mark essays in 2 hours and 30 minutes. SL students, you've got to write 2 25-mark essays in 1 hour 45 minutes. There are your total marks. And here is my suggested word count you should aim for is between about 11,800 and 1,100 words per 25-mark essay. Okay, a little bit more detail. You've got two sections. You've got section A, section B. Section A is about the core theme. Everybody needs to answer one question from the core theme. You've got a choice of 2 questions. You need to pick one of them. In this question, you're always going to have an unknown short stimulus, which will be a short text or an image, and you're always going to have this known and fairly nice open question. Okay, you want to structure your essay as an argument, answering the philosophical issue that you've identified with philosopher A thinks, philosopher B thinks, I think. Okay. Section B is on your optional themes. So that could be philosophy of religion, philosophy of science, aesthetics, ethics, epistemology, etc. Okay, for this one, SL students, you need to answer one question. HL students, you need to answer 2 questions, and it's really important that you answer those 2 questions, HL students, from different optional themes. If you get in there and say you've studied ethics and aesthetics, and you don't like either of the aesthetics questions, but you think both the ethics questions are great, it doesn't matter. You cannot answer both the ethics questions. You have to answer one from aesthetics and one from ethics, if those are the themes that you've studied. If you answer 2 from one optional theme, then you are only going to be credited for one of them. So do the maths, that's really going to affect your mark. Okay, for this question, the questions in section B, there's no stimulus, and you'll have an unknown and fairly specific question. These can be quite tough. I'm going to do videos about how we can build confidence with these questions, but you can have fun with it. And they'll typically use command words like discuss, evaluate, or to what extent do you agree with the claim. Okay, again, you want to have an argumentative essay, so you're going to narrow down your question in your introduction, and then you are going to argue what you think the answer to that question is by means of critically discussing 2 different philosophers. So A thinks, B thinks, I thinks. Again, same word count. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Again, this information is linked below. Go ahead and download it. If you are interested in tuition with me, please reach out, comment on the video, or send me an email. Okay, I hope that's helpful. See you next time.